Those who have envy from you, जो आपसे हसद करते हैं, जो आपके दुश्मन हैं, you learn from them. Those who criticize you, those who raise objections on you, those who try to pull your legs and put you down, you learn from them. Again, very hard on me. But you make yourself realize that this person is able to pull me down. This person is doing his criticism of me, or the things that he is saying about me, he's only been able to do so because Allah has allowed him to do so. And if Allah has allowed him to do so, maybe through him Allah is trying to pass on a message to me that there is some self-correction required. A very different way of looking at that criticism, that envy, that hatred that you're receiving from the other end. But if you take away the I, there's lesson in it for yourself. And bear in mind that the closer one is to Allah, the more there are people who would be envious of you, the more people that would be there who would, try to pull you down, and the more people would be there who would criticize you. This is part of getting close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not just part of becoming successful in dunya, but even including who had the most critique in his life. Rasulullah, who had high number of enemies, the Anbiya alayhi salam, who had people who were always trying to cut their path, cut their way of doing, and just put an end to what they were doing. The Anbiya alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had to teach Rasulullah a dua to save him from the envy that he was receiving, right? وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ.